Okay, in this video we're going to create a parent and child, in this case shoes, and the children will be manufactured, and we're going to use the matrix to create a BOM for each of the child variations, and specifically for one of the BOM elements we're going to use the matrix to add in different measurements. So we come into items. Now in attributes we have set up the color and the size, and if we have a look at the color, we've got red, blue and black, and in the size we've got large, medium, small. So when we come to create the variable product, we're going to choose variable. I'll give this item type shoe. Could add in images and attributes and what have you, but in this case we're just going to come in and we're going to add in the drop down attributes. This would be the okay, now and we're going to create these as manufactured children. These will be the drop downs, color and size. You can have more than that in terms of drop downs. We'll just keep it to 2 on this occasion. And now we will create the item. A little blue tick appears. That means the child item has been created. And now we've got the children item created in black, blue and red, small, medium and large. Now we're going to come in here and we're going to create a bill of materials. So we can do this by creating a template. So we'll call this the sole, and it will bring through, we want it to bring in item type equals raw materials. And then we want a second one for the leather upper. And again, we'll bring this in from raw materials. And we'll save that. And now we'll add in the BOMs into the children. So I'm going to add small, medium and large. So when we do small, we're going to use a leather sole, and there's going to be one of those. And then we'll use a leather upper. But this is in centimeters of material used. So for the smalls, we'll only use 1.1 or 10.1 centimeters. But for medium, requires a bit more, so we'll use 10.9. And then for large, we'll use again one sole, and for the upper that's actually 11.5. And now we have created the parent and children, and we've added in the BOM for each of the child items in here. So if we then go through to items and we have a look at the new dance shoe which we've just created, and we come into one of the child variations, and there are the BOM elements that we have created. So nice and easy to create, parent and child with BOMs with variations through the different sizes in material or what have you.